Hey, what's up guys, Jazzle here and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing a little bit different and we'll be reviewing this one good of a laptop, and I am excited to share to you the different features that this laptop offers. It is very good for professional gamers and content creators. So without further ado, let's dive in and talk about the amazing features that this laptop could offer. Okay, first things first, let's talk about the display. This laptop has a 15.6 Full HD IPS display, and I gotta say, the colors are so vivid. And it has a 100% sRGB color gamut, which means everything looks super crisp and colorful. Plus, with the 144Hz refresh rate, if you're into gaming talaga, this is such a game changer. Smooth gameplay and zero lag, sobrang saya talaga maglaro.
Next up, the performance. This laptop is powered by an Intel Core i5 processors. May 8 cores siya, 4 performance cores, and 4 efficiency cores. So multitasking is a breeze. Kaya if you're into gaming or editing, it can handle everything easily. Plus, it has Intel Arc A530M 4GB GDDR6 graphics, which makes gaming even more immersive. Lalo na if you play games like Valorant, smooth na smooth ang experience dito.
Now, for the storage, you've got 512GB SSD and yes, PCIe 4.0 for faster read and write speeds. Pwede na pang dagdagan ng dalawang M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 times 4 Hz. So, kung gusto nyo ng more storage, for your games, videos, it's totally possible.
Connectivity-wise, this laptop is ready for anything. It has Wi-Fi 6 super fast internet speeds and Bluetooth 5.1. Then, meron siyang USB-C port with 10 Gbps transfer speed. And even DisplayPort 4.1 for connecting your external monitor. Plus 3 USB-A ports for your accessories, keyboard, and anything else you need. And the battery life? Yes, it's important. It's got an integrated 60 watts hour battery which gives you enough juice for long gaming session or content creation marathon. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-alala about charging all the time.
Plus, this laptop has a white backlit keyboard that looks really sleek, especially at night. And guys, for those who love music, the stereo speakers here are optimized with Nahimic audio, so even without headphones, the sound quality is really good. Oh, and it also has an HD 720p webcam with an e-shutter for secure video calls. So overall, this laptop is perfect for gaming, programming, and for business. And perfect siya for student, and chef. And si UNC napakagaan niyang dalhin. So pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan, and napaka-efficient na. That's all for our laptop reviews for today. I hope na may nalaman mo kayo about this laptop. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Comment down below
Which part of this laptop is your most favorite? So that's it for today, and goodbye!